They're right up here on the stage. Face me, turn to me. Come a little closer, please. Stand next to the girl over here. Face me, turn to me. That's right. Stay right over there. Okay, Schmendrick, talk to our friends.
Where did they go?
The other side.
I don't see them.
Turn around and you'll see them. Turn around. No, turn the other way. Do you see them?
I see Rachna.
Keep turning, listen, keep turning. That way, keep turning.
You scared me.
They didn't mean to scare you. Talk to the girl.
Who are you?
What's your name?
Grace, that's a nice name.
That's right.
That used to be Jonathan's name when he was a little girl.
I was a little girl. Talk to the boy.
Who are you?
What's your name?
Hoya.
Hoya, that's nice. How old are you, Hoya?
3.
He's either 3 years old or 4 fingers years old. So you're 3 years old? Hoya, listen, do you know the girl, Grace?
Do you know Grace?
Grace, do you know Hoya? You two got a strange relationship. Are you married? Hoya, are you married? Then Hoya, what do you do for aggravation? Who makes you talk, Jonathan?
Do I make you kids talk?
No.
See, I don't make them talk.
Listen, when I say go, say hello, Schmendrick. Ready, set, go.
Hello, Schmendrick. Hello, Schmendrick.
You did that.
No, I didn't. I don't make them talk.
I'm just kidding.
Good.
I make them talk.
You do. How do you do that?
I'm a ventriloquist.
Schmendrick,
Yeah.
say ventriloquist.
Ventriloquist.
No, ventriloquist.
Vanilla twist.
No, Schmendrick.
Yeah.
Repeat after me.
Ventriloquist.
That's not right. Schmendrick, if you're a ventriloquist, then what am I?
You?
Yes.
You're a big dummy.
All right, Schmendrick, we're going to see if our two friends up here, Grace and Hoya, can help teach you how to say this properly. The word is now, Schmendrick, turn around and don't look until I tell you. Turn around that way and don't look.
No kissing.
Turn around.
No kissing around here.
Turn around.
Stop kissing.
Turn around. I'm going to ask you both to help me, okay? Grace and Hoya. In just a second. Schmendrick, who are you making faces at?
Rachna.
If you do that again,
Don't make faces at her.
Well, she started it.
I don't think so.
Rachna, stop making faces at me.
Stop making faces.
Stop staring at me.
Why would she stare at you?
She loves me too much.
Turn around. Don't look.
She said I look like Leonardo DiCaprio.
Turn around.
Only better.
Why better?
Because I got a mustache.
Turn around.
She calls me her Titanic.
Turn around.
Only I don't sink.
Turn around.
Unlike you.
Turn around.
The stick is staring at me.
Don't look at the stick. It's not a stick, it's a mic stand.
It's a stick.
Turn around.
It's a stick stand.
Turn around.
Without an ice cream cone.
Turn around. So you're going to say ventriculist. Okay? Actually, ventric is the wrong way. We have to say it like that. Because we're going to do it backwards.
Nice one.
Turn around and don't look.
I didn't look. Did I look? I
So we're going to say ventriculist. So if you say it the wrong way, you might say it the right way. You know what I mean? Sort of like backwards. So if you say, what's the matter, Grace? What's the matter?
Nice ceiling.
Turn around and don't look.
I didn't look. Did I look? I didn't. Did not. Did not. Did not times 10.
Turn around. So you're going to say ventriculist, okay? So now if we do that, you might take this one. Who is?
Nice nose.
A ventriculist, all right? Okay, Schmendrick, now you can look, turn around and repeat what our friends say. Ventriculist.
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 Very Very good. Everybody say ventriculus.
Ventriloquist.
Congratulations. Let's have a big round of applause for that reverse psychology. That worked. Big round of applause for Grace and Hoya for doing a great job helping us. Clap your hands for our helpers.
How about me?
What about you?
Let's have the round of applesauce for me.
Applause, not applause.